Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This side Preeti Divyani, and today we are going to prove duplication formula from integral calculus. Okay, let's see the proof. We know that integral over 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 to the power m minus 1 theta cos 2 to the power n minus 1 theta d theta equals to gamma n upon 2 times of gamma m plus n. Okay, give it equation 1. Now we are going to put m is equals to 1 by 2. Putting m is equals to 1 by 2 in equation 1, we get 0 to pi by 2 sine. If we are going to put m is equals to 1 by 2, this becomes 0, sine to the power 0 theta, so it becomes 1. So the term cos theta remain as it is. This will become gamma 1 by 2 gamma n upon 2 times of 1 by 2 plus n. We are going to put gamma half. The value of gamma half is under root pi. This is 2 gamma n. This will become gamma 2n plus 1 upon 2. I just take the LCM simply. After that, give it equation 2. Now we are again putting m is equals to n in equation 1. Okay, put m is equals to n in equation 1. We get from 1, let's see, 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 n minus 1 cos 2 to the power n minus 1. So this will become 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 to the power n minus 1 theta cos 2 to the power n minus 1 theta d theta. This will become gamma n. So this will simply written as gamma n whole square and 2 times of gamma n plus n. This means gamma of 2n. Now gamma n whole square upon 2 times of gamma 2n is equals to, we are going to solve this. Just see, we are going to multiply with 2 to the power 2n minus 1 and multiplying here 2 sine 2n minus 1 theta 2n minus 1 cos 2n minus 1 theta d theta. I just simply multiply with denominator and numerator with 2 to the power 2n minus 1 and 2 to the power 2n minus 1. Okay, this will become the formula of 2 sin theta cos theta. So we can write it as sin 2 theta. Okay, let's see, 2 to the power 2n minus 1, 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta whole to the power 2n minus 1 d theta. This will be written as sin 2 theta and minus 1, 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta to the power 2n minus 1 d theta. Okay, now we are going to solve this integral. Just simply let I is equals to, so just simply let I is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1, 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta to the power 2n minus 1 d theta. To solve this integral, we are going to let 2 theta is equals to z, 2 d theta dz. This means d theta is equal to dz upon 2. Now just put I is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1. Limit got changed to 0 to pi sin z to the power 2n minus 1 d theta dz upon 2. This 2 comes out and their power get added, so it becomes 2 to the power 2n. And by using the property of integration, we are going to write it as 0 to pi sin z dz is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 sin z dz. Okay, you know this property we are using here. 0 to pi by 2 sin z to the power 2n minus 1 dz. So it will become 2 to the power n minus 1 again. This will be written as 0 to pi by 2 sin 2n minus 1 z dz. We are again using the property of integration. 0 to pi by 2, we are going to put the upper limit in the place of this z. This will be written as sin 2n minus 1 pi by 2 minus z dz. This will become 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 0 to pi by 2 cos 2n minus 1 z dz. We know that sin pi by 2 minus z is equals to cos z. So this will become cos 2 to the power n minus 1 z dz. We just assume this integral I, and this integral I is equals to gamma n to the whole square twice of gamma 2n. Okay, so we are going to write it as gamma n whole square twice of gamma 2n is equals to this 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral over 0 to pi by 2 cos 2n minus 1 z dz. We are going to put the value of this integral, that is integral over 0 to pi by 2 cos 2n minus 1 z dz is this. We get that value. The value of this integral is under root pi upon 2 gamma n upon gamma 2n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so we write it here. Gamma n whole square twice of gamma 2n is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power n minus 1 gamma pi upon 2 gamma n upon 2n plus 1 upon 2. To write it as in the form of order, we just cancel this 2 on both sides. Gamma get cancelled. Okay, now we can write it as gamma n, this gamma 2n plus 1 upon 2, this can be written as n plus 1 by 2. Okay, is equals to under root pi upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 gamma, this will get here gamma 2n. So this is our proof. So you may check my description box for all other important theorems and their proofs. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to motivate us. Thank you for watching this video.